Talofa guys, welcome back to another episode here on the channel. It's been very busy lately, and I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me saying, oh, so busy, but that's the reality at the moment. So I'm trying to make episodes whenever I can, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make an episode today. So we're gonna make an episode on today, our current situation. Sorry, spiderwebs. Our current situation is we've got a power outage here in Samoa. That's a power outage here in Samoa that's affecting our current power supply. It's been going on for about a month and a half now, and yeah, it's affecting us all at the moment. So usually our power kicks back on around 6 p.m. It's 6:30 now and the power still hasn't come on, so it means we have to quickly do the food here at our umukuka in the back here, so that we can try and get it all ready before it gets dark. So I'm gonna make content of that, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys, share our channel, and do check out our samoanfarmer.com. If you haven't bought some merch, grab yourself that Crave Growth merch. But yeah, gotta get started now, and we'll just take you through it as we go. So yeah, we're gonna get the rice ready. Our menu is actually paumamui. We're gonna do, because I came home thinking, we got home at around 5:30, 5:45, and we needed something quick, and I usually will go for paumamui because it's fairly quick and also fairly easy. So we just came back from the cattle farm about half an hour ago, about 40 minutes, so 6:30. We got back home from the cattle farm around 6:15, and it's now 6:30. So I was hoping the power would be on, but that's okay. That's why I picked paumamui. It's nice and quick. But yeah, gonna get started now on chopping up the mamui and getting the rice on and starting the fire. Alright, so just finished chopping up the mamoy. So we're going to quickly pop it onto the heat. The beauty of using bak mamoy is that we don't need no oil, so it's usually just straight onto the heat, and that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we've got our ulo here, straight onto the heat. Look at that. Can't get more in touch with nature than that. We're going to be using our flash most of the time. Incorporate some of that smoke into the food. We lost one. Holy. Ola al fulu ngai ke fulu ngai lealis. Ngai fulu kai kasi fakwalis. Amai ola akwa. This is I think it's still worth saving. The heat will kill off most of the germs. Let's go. Alright, so now that the mamoy is on, we're going to get started on peeling the potatoes. This is probably not the best circumstances, to be, posting an episode given the power crisis in our country at the moment. But, this is showing you how Samoans, us people, how we're resilient and also adaptive, We try to make the best of any situation. And I guess that's the majority of Pacific Island people. We may not have the best situation, but we'll always try to, work our way around it. So yeah, no gas, no power, so back to the mkuka. I've just sent us the ave. I just remembered we had a solar power generator. We actually have a petrol generator as well that I took to get fixed, but unfortunately they still haven't got back. So as soon as we saw these power outages being a lot more frequent, we started looking into finding power generators, and we had a solar one here from one of the projects we were involved in. So we've been charging that during the day, and they're just leaving it in case you might need it. And yeah, I guess this is one of those days where we finally get to use it. But also yeah, hoping we get that power, our generator. So the fire's dying out a bit. I gotta attend to the fire. It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life. I was back with the power generator, so we'll quickly pop that on. Go away. Aqui foi. Fica mole. So these are LED lights. They're not that power consumption. Power consumption is not that high. Kau pe fu ngoi le ponga. We se faunga. Fa kamiro fa lu. Ko fa kamiro. Ah. Kau pe do. That in there. Coffee for everyday. And switch that on. Voila, we've got light. So let's turn off the light from my flash. Yeah, I mean, that's not too bad. It's not the worst, but it'll do. Okay. Alright, so it's a bit dark on this ave. Kung may may lang il pikule lang ali pong sai. Hari ano mo war kamar saya. Mukong wala on. Number one. Oh my goodness. Você faca amigo falou. Ibera ka ko. Flash fish ifo ka pagkakang. Ibu sakit po. Right, so just sending the RC over to look for the MSG just to add a bit of flavor to the curry. Alright, so with this, this is just getting the garlic ready, already on the carrots, but with this one, when we need to use the alternating current, just switch on this switch, when we have anything plugged into the power supply there. So I think this one's about 220 volts. Just double check. Yeah, around that area. So it says 214 at the moment, but yeah, it's around 220 volts. Yeah, going pretty good.
Okay.
Alright, so we just added in garlic, MSG, salt, and black pepper now. You guys could see that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Just washing the carrots and the potatoes. So if I turn off the flash, guys, you guys can see it is pitch black. If you see those lights there, those are solar lights we installed. Casting shadow there. So yeah, see? All black. Except for the umkuka. Let's go. Alright, you can hear frying again, so it's time to pour in the potatoes and the carrots. Tomato camera. It's right on time. Yun, why not po mas kapo? Alright fam, so we're about 80% done with the food. We're just gonna let it, it's almost waiting on potatoes. So if you see the fire arrangement, the rice is on that side and this is the mamui on this side, and there's less fire under the rice compared to the mamui. And experience that's because if there's too much fire, the rice is always undercooked. It's a sour for but if you control the heat at low temperature to medium, usually the rice comes out really good, nice and mavivi, and we all like mavivi rice. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I've started taking some Samoan classes at the National University of Samoa here in Samoa, and the reason why is because the majority of my academic life has been in pursuit of science, and as a result, I've neglected some of my Samoan culture. So as a result, I've taken Samoan papers, and that's one of the reasons why I've been so busy as well. It's got so many assignments as well, on top of work and on top of farm and the family, and also the other businesses. So yeah, it's a really full on, but I am really looking forward to sharing with you guys some of the very interesting stuff about our culture and what I've learned so far. And the reason why I took Samoan as well, taking some Samoan classes, because I anticipate that my life is going to evolve in the next 10-20 years, and it's better to prepare myself for it. So it's time, just looking ahead. I'm not always going to be a farmer and doing the kaukua, but sometimes you have to anticipate that you might have other callings in the family, and just be ready for it. So that's why we're doing it. But yeah, waiting on the food to finish. Ya bela, main bela ration mabibili. Kau bila bar ongan mango, pa mangai ya mera. Uma, par kau bela pakita. Kalau kung kakukan, singa masima. Umar kes, yang nga, lo ko ikiu makako, pamalu ako ya ako, kuwa kungu, rola lead power, makungay, sidi ade ola marpe yafi. Ya lise mo yai me fu kako levang kako la me murder mori makangi man mori karsingi man mori nga ya fa kaide di ora mo gon maros e kong foi fa pengan ngai ku. All right guys, I don't know if you can see me, but we just thought we might turn off the light just to see how it looks, and it's very dark at the moment, if you guys can see. So food is almost ready. Very
natural memorial.
Yeah.
Natural memorial.
Natural. 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 Natural.
Natural.
Adi tuksun.
Natural.
Wali lo ala oisun. Me uri de anga o ka ku sure. All right, that's enough of the dark. Let's turn the lights back on. If I can find the wire. Alright. I think that's been there. Coffee, made it is. There we go. Alright fam, so we're gonna add in the curry now. I think it's ready. So this would have been nice as a stew as well, but I like curry. Curry is nice. Plus, it's always nice with curry for merebau mamu, because it goes lolo saveu ave. So the curry, the spiciness of the curry helps out with the balance lolo mamu. May siya mayo pa mamu. Kaya. Come. Nakama si ma. Alright fam, it's all done and ready. And it took.
Nice.
Nice. Huh? Perfect. And it took. Oh Jesus. Oh delicious. Oh delicious. 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 Dạ là ngày câu nga ay mua ay mua chef oi la di chef o kupo ya
Apa kau kau chef kau?
ele am seu chef é casil head chef ve lua kama chef ya ai casil head chef nela ai la ma mo ai ma ocupa que oi ai si o de masang imamul ay pakika. Uy, no. Ano di masang iyo ko meron mamoy lang ay mai. Ay di ay wa mai. Son, kaya akapong yo dili. All right, fam. So that is our cooking for today. We've got our rice or mga mavivileris. Patunwa and our lamb curry. Paumamoy. Very nice. I'm very hungry now. Just heard loaf ka mga pisi malukos fule so ka wile malumon me ay. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed our little episode. Very unfortunate the power situation in Samoa, but I'm very glad you know that we're still able to pull through with our usual cooking. You know, I always try to adapt to the situation, but I hope you guys have enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, which will hopefully be a Sunday cooking. But until then, guys, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.